The future isn't just holograms and flying cars, it's walking, stumbling, and learning to dance. Picture this. A week ago, the same ice rink where Olympic legends once skated became a battleground for something entirely different. No humans, no medals, just hundreds of clunky, two-legged machines sprinting, boxing, and even awkwardly twerking in the first-ever World Humanoid Robot Games. It was equal parts circus and tech demo, with robots like China's Unitree H1 stealing the show by sprinting faster than their competitors, while others toppled over in dramatic, robot-specific pileups. But here's the twist. This wasn't just a sideshow. It was a glimpse into the future, and the robots aren't just getting better. They're getting human. But here's where it gets controversial. Remember when humanoid robots were the butt of jokes? Honda's Asimo shuffling like a stiff walking mannequin. Or Boston Dynamics' Atlas doing parkour until it tripped over its own shadow. In 2025, the script has flipped. These machines are no longer lab experiments. They're serving burgers at Tesla's LA diner, guarding Mar-a-Lago with robotic dogs, and stacking shelves in Walmart's warehouses. And this is the part most people miss. The real game changer isn't the robots themselves. It's the reason they're everywhere now. Why? Three forces are colliding. 1. AI that thinks like us. Thanks to large language models, LLMs, and smaller siblings, SLMs, robots can now understand spoken commands, learn tasks from videos, and adapt to changing environments. Imagine teaching a robot to fold laundry by showing it a YouTube tutorial. It's no longer sci-fi. It's how Unitree's H1 mastered track events. 2. Cheaper, smarter hardware. The cost of building a humanoid has plummeted. A decade ago, research bots cost millions. Now, Unitree's H1 sells for under $90,000, making it a viable tool for companies like Amazon, which already uses over 1 million robots in its warehouses. Lighter motors, longer batteries, and tiny sensors have made this possible. 3. Economic necessity. Labor shortages, rising wages, and the pressure to automate are pushing businesses to adopt robots. Amazon isn't deploying bots for fun. They're replacing expensive, hard-to-hire workers. Same goes for Foxconn's factories in China and Japan's hospitals trialing robots as caregivers. And this is where opinions diverge. Is this a sign of progress, or are we outsourcing our humanity to machines? Should we trust robots with elder care, security, or even customer service? The numbers don't lie. The global humanoid robot market could hit $15.8 billion in hospitality alone by 2034. Healthcare robots are projected to grow at 16.9% annually. But ask yourself, are we ready for a world where robots handle our groceries, our health, and even our loneliness? The real money is in the components. If you think humanoid robots are just a tech buzzword, take a look at the companies building the stuff that makes them work. Sensors, AI chips, power modules, and actuators. The unsung heroes of the robotics revolution are where the real money lies. China's $20 billion in subsidies, the US's AI policy push, and the quiet expansion of firms like Tesla and Unitree all point to one truth. This isn't a passing trend. It's a $95 billion household robot market waiting to explode. So what's next? The answer is simple. Don't bet on the robots themselves. Bet on the companies that make their brains, their bones, and their batteries. Because the next iPhone moment isn't in a phone. It's in a robot walking into your home, your workplace, and your future. Now tell us, are you excited, worried, or somewhere in between? The robots are already here. What's your take?